Welcome back to 6 a.m. Cooking with the handsome, brilliant, distinguished, and ingenious Thomas Eggerson. Please enjoy.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my show. Today we're making eggs, but not just one kind, but three. Poached, scrambled, and sunny side up. Now, let's stop dilly-dallying, shall we, and let's crack into it. Shall we? You're gonna wanna make sure you have these ingredients and tools. Now, first thing you're gonna wanna do is you wanna go fill up a saucepan with some water. Here's a little Edison tip, shall we say. What you wanna do is you wanna fill up the water with some white distilled vinegar. This helps the egg keep its shape and not get so runny while it's in the bowl, keeping it that sort of restaurant-made look. While that's heating up, let's start preparing the eggs, shall we? Now, for the poached and sunny side eggs, you're simply gonna wanna crack them into the bowl. Ah, shit, I think I got some shell in there. Oh. I don't think we can use this egg anymore. Simply crack the egg. Ah, shit. Simply crack the... Simply... Hey, Ma! Can I get some help? Now that the eggs are ready, here's the best part. We don't have to do anything for the poached or the sunny side up eggs. I ain't yoking. However, the scrambled eggs need a bit more love. With 2 eggs in a bowl, simply add some cream and some salt and pepper, and then whisk it. You don't want to whisk it for too long, however, otherwise they might become a bit too runny and the egg sort of loses its consistency. Now that all the eggs are ready, we can finally start cooking. Heat up 2 pans, put in some butter, and simply start frying the sunny side up eggs and just pour in the scrambled eggs. Before you do the poached, you want to do something a bit special. Start stirring the water until you create sort of a vortex, then put in the eggs. That way the eggs stay in the center and neither gets cooked more or less. That is a little Eggerson tip. Now, here's the fun part of it all, making sure it doesn't burn. Oh, ow. You want to make sure you do is with the scrambled eggs, you want to push it into the oh, the bread's burning. Oh, this is bad, man. Beautiful, aren't they? 3 plates of delicious and alluring eggs. I like mine with a bit of toast and some salt and pepper, but you can have yours with whatever you want. Well, I think we've come to the end of this, folks, so thank you for joining me, and goodbye.